American Craftsman Renovations is your local, reliable, full-service general contractor in Savannah, Georgia. Specializing in residential remodeling, renovation, restoration, and repair services, we will help you accomplish your residential remodeling goals. Since 1993, we have helped homeowners transform their kitchens, bathrooms, bonus rooms, and even created fresh new space with residential additions. And we look forward to working with you where we can help bring your vision for your home to life. No project is too large or complex for us to take on, and we pride ourselves on offering outstanding customer service and quality workmanship. Not only are we extremely familiar with Savannah homes and properties, but we work hard to ensure we accomplish your goals the right way, the first time, without taking risks with your time, money, or investment. Schedule your free estimate in Savannah today by calling 912-481-8353.